Welcome, in front of me I have Google Pixel 5 and today I'll show you the camera preview, all things and features that you can find in this smartphone camera. So they open the camera at the first, and as you can see, that's all that we have here. So take a look. There's a nice light mode, portrait mode, the standard camera mode. We can of course zoom in here, just like that. There's the video mode. In the more modes we got panorama, slow motion, time-lapse, Google Lens and photosphere. Let's click here, back. Okay, and well, that looks crazy. I never seen something like that in the phones. Okay, let's click here. So yeah, nice. That looks very cool. What do you have here? Also, when you tap here, we got the settings. So as you can see, we can activate flashlight. We can activate motion photo. We got the timer, aspect ratio, and here we got other settings, like we can activate location tags, we can turn off shutter sound, the Google Lens suggestions, framing hands, the mirror effect, social share gestures like the volume key action, double tap action, frequent faces, the grid lines, and in the advanced we got dirty lens notification, the different format of the photos, and next we got the video stabilization, audio zoom, and also the camera resolution. Basically that's all. So as you can see, that's all modes and features that you can find in the Google Pixel 5 camera. In some way, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.